In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix head tracking in CapCut PC. If you've ever struggled with getting the perfect head tracking effect on your video project, don't worry, you're not alone. And the good news is, it's a pretty straightforward process once you know what you're doing. So let's dive right in and walk through this step by step together. First things first, go ahead and open CapCut PC and load up the project you're working on. Make sure that you've got everything set up with the video you're planning to edit. Because once we're inside the software, it's essential that we have a smooth workflow to keep things moving. After your project is loaded, the next thing you'll want to do is select the specific video clip where you want to add your head tracking effect. Once your clip is selected, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see a toolbar there. Click on the Effects tab. The Effects tab is your gateway to a wide range of creative options that can really elevate your video editing, and it's where you'll find the tools needed to implement head tracking. In the search bar located within the Effects section, type in head tracking. This should help you find the exact effect much faster. But if you're browsing through the options, you're also looking for anything related to motion tracking. The software typically categorizes such effects under similar kinds of motion-related options, so keep your eyes peeled for those. Once you've located the head tracking effect, go ahead and apply it to your video. This is where the magic really starts to happen. You'll notice a new element appears over your video, and this is your tracking tool. It's usually represented by a box or a grid that you can manipulate directly on the video screen. The key to an effective head tracking is to adjust this tracking box so that it precisely fits around the subject's head. You'll want to make sure it's snug and accurately follows the movement of the head throughout the clip. Spend a little time fine-tuning this to get the most natural-looking motion. Finally, after you've made all your adjustments and you're satisfied with how the head tracking effect looks, the last step is to export your newly edited video. Ensure you save it in the desired format that suits your needs, whether that's for upload, sharing, or simply for your own use. And there you have it, a perfectly tracked head tracking effect added to your video, giving it that professional touch. By following these straightforward steps, you can achieve a seamless head tracking effect that enhances the quality and impact of your video. So go ahead and give it a shot. Happy editing, and I'll see you in the next video.